corn, but the star is the potatoes and the shrimp. I am doing a collab with CrystalMarieEats, guys. This is an awesome person that I really want you guys to go over and check out. She has a great channel. She does wonderful story times. I mean, she's lived a lot in her young years, and you should go head over there and check her out and, you know, tell her, please, that What the Mukbang sent you. I sounded off of What the Mukbang? Like, what kind of accent was that? What the Mukbang sent you. Oh my goodness. Let's say a quick prayer and get started on this lovely food. But first, before we even do that, I want to show a quick clip of Crystal. It will be right here.
What is up, all you beautiful people?
Okay, so let's say a quick prayer and let's get started. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much also to all the new Mookies that have come and hung out with the channel and shown me so much love and support. I really do appreciate you guys. I see you, I appreciate you, and I wanted to say a special welcome to all of those new Mookies out there. Also to all of my old Mookies, thank you so much for returning to another video. If you are not yet a subscriber, please do so by hitting the subscribe button below. Hit that big red button, hit the bell next to it, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment, and I could possibly pick your comment for a shout out at the end of my video. So stay tuned. So Crystal suggested we eat this today. And I'm so glad she did because it's really, really good. Oh my gosh. So I made a butter garlic sauce, like a tangy butter garlic sauce. And I literally just, oh, excuse me, drenched my potatoes. These are red potatoes in the sauce with the shrimp, and I added corn. That's good, you guys. I'm not sure. I don't think Crystal used corn in her video. But you guys, please go check her out. Show her some love. Tell her you're a Mookie. Or that What the Mukbang sent you. I would appreciate that. And I'm sure she would too. She's so cute. I think she says, "What's going on, all you beautiful people?" I think that's how she opens her videos. Her nails and her makeup. Wow. They always look so nice. And she has a fur baby who is very, very important to her. I'm sorry, you guys. I've got really something in my eye here. Who's very important to her. So definitely, I can't believe there's a fly in here. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? I never have flies in my house. I think I had like a gnat in my house. No, I'm going to have to pause this video for a second because I have to get this fly. Okay, I'm back. Me and the fly, we were wrestling in the hallway. I had to put up a fight. We had a turf war. We were, what do you say, back in the day? We were scrapping in the halls. Remember that? Remember that word, scrapping? And it meant fighting. You know, every time you make a sauce, sometimes it comes out a little different. I never write down my recipes. I mean, I make this sauce a lot when I make my seafood. But this time, it came out extra good for some reason. I don't know, but I wish I had more of it that I could have, you know, put it in the freezer and saved it for something else because, man, this one is yummy. So how are you guys doing today? If you are, you know, a Mookie, you may have noticed I didn't upload on Monday. I did a video, but I couldn't upload it because for some reason my audio completely went left. I tried a new mic out and I tested the mic before I did my video. Everything went well when I tested it. Did the video, and oh, you know what broke loose? It sounded awful. Awful. I was so upset. Oh, and this is not like a boil. Really. I cooked. This is more like a saute. And then I sauteed it in the sauce that I made. And then I just poured everything in a bowl. I boiled my potatoes and my shrimp separately. No, I'm sorry, my potatoes and my corn separately. Then when my shrimp was finished cooking, I pulled my shrimp out of the sauce and popped the corn and the potatoes in the sauce. Got that going in the sauce a little bit. Then I threw everything together in a bowl to keep everything warm. Oh, wow. I didn't let my potatoes get too mushy. I didn't want to have like a mushy potato. I wanted them to have a little bit of a bite. So, yeah, that's how we made this meal today. It was a real simple meal, but I think one day I'm gonna record me doing this sauce because the sauce really is, it's so good. I love it on my seafood. I love beloved sauce also. Her sauce is really good. I was surprised how much I did like it. I didn't like it as much on the chicken as I did on the seafood, but of course, you know, it's a seafood sauce, so. I love shrimp. As you can see, I always have shrimp on my channel. It's so yummy. And these are the ginormous shrimp that I normally have, but these are, I guess they call them colossal shrimp. So see, they're a decent size. You see all that goodness? Sorry, you guys, a lot of flavor gets stuck in that shell. And so I do kind of suck on the shrimp a little bit. So I apologize if that really disturbs some of you. But that's where all the flavor is, because once you cook it in the sauce, it gets trapped in there, and that's the good stuff. I was actually trying to do some research because I wanted to eat try and do shrimp for a month. Not shrimp for a month. Seafood for a month, different types of seafood, cooked different ways. But I wanted to make sure it was healthy. I think they're called, are they called like pescatarians or something like that? I think they eat seafood all the time, if I'm not mistaken. But shrimp and, I'm sorry, seafood and fish, I think they eat all the time. I wanted to research that because, I mean, I don't want to do anything unhealthy or promote that on my channel. B-Love doesn't even eat seafood every single day. I mean, she eats a lot of it, but she does break it up with other stuff. I also made my sauce, threw some jalapenos in there, so it does have some spice. Some red pepper flakes. Yeah, I need to show you guys how I make this sauce because it is very tasty. Nice and messy though. You know, with my insomnia, it's pretty crazy because sometimes I sleep in and I need to like try to get back on track. And my son today was like, "Are you planning on getting up today?" And I was like, "Yeah." So we're gonna do would you rather questions, me and Crystal. So I wanted to get into that real quick because I can just talk your ear off for whatever other reason. Okay. Here's the first would you rather question. Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years or live 10 lives, that's 5, okay, 10 lives that last 100 years each? I think I would rather live 10 lives that last 100 years each. And the reason why would be whatever I screwed up in the last life, I could fix in the next one. So yeah, I think I would do 10 lives of 100 each. Would you rather be without elbows or without knees? Knees. I would just sit down with my feet up every day, right? Knees. I think it would be knees. I need to like reach for stuff. I couldn't just, I would knock everything over. Would you rather go about your normal day naked or fall asleep for a year? Me being one with insomnia really, really bad, I think I would fall asleep for a year. I would just make sure everybody took home movies all around me, just made sure they taped everything, they recorded everything so that I didn't miss anything when I woke up. But I wouldn't want to not see my grandson for a year, so that would be a problem. But everybody else, I could do it. I'd be all right. Would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again? Well, I mean, I use Instagram. I only used Instagram before because it was just keeping up with family. But now I use it, for my channel. I could go without it. I don't want to eat the same thing every day for the rest of my life, but I mean, I could live without Instagram, okay? I'm not, this 20-year-old girl with the hottest bod in the world that has to show it to everybody. I'm just not. I'm not. I don't need to show everybody what I'm doing at every moment that I'm doing it. Would you rather publish your diary or inner thoughts or make a movie on your most embarrassing moment? Make a movie on my most embarrassing moment, because I've already discussed my most embarrassing moments here for all my Mookies to see. So if I can make a movie and collect some coin for it, yeah, let's do a movie on when I ran outside in PE with a long t-shirt on and forgot to put on my pants. Yeah, I'm that girl. That's me. Went out to PE, doors locked behind me in the gym, ran out to do the laps, and figured, wow, it's extra breezy today. Well, yeah, because you were in a thong and a t-shirt. Out on the field with all your classmates. Yeah, Mona, you did that. Would you rather have a dragon or be a dragon? I would totally want to have a dragon. Like, this doesn't even have to be a would you rather question. I want a dragon. Like, if there was a way that their dragons were real and I could go buy a pet dragon, I would buy one tomorrow. I am not playing. I think they are the most beautiful, mythical creatures, period. Like, I love dragons. I really, really do. I love dragons. I wouldn't want to be a dragon, but I definitely want one as a pet. Would you rather give up alcohol for a year or give up your smartphone for a month? What time is it? Let's make sure I'm not running out of time here. I would definitely give up alcohol for a year because I really don't drink. Once in a blue moon, I'll have some wine. If anything, it would hurt my recipes because I cook with alcohol, but I really don't drink it. I would definitely not want to go without my cell phone, though. My cell phone is, part of my life. It's usually stuck into my hand. Everywhere I go, like, I'd probably hyperventilate if I couldn't find my phone. Actually, no, that's pushing it. Because when we eat dinner and we have family time and stuff, I try to instruct everyone to put their phones away, turn their phones off, do something so it doesn't bother us. But I mean, your phone is your lifeline. It is what it is. Would you rather be the smartest person in the room or the most popular? Definitely the smartest. I would definitely rather be the smartest person in the room. Absolutely, without a doubt. I'm just watching the time because my camera shuts off right under 30 minutes. So I'm going to have to jump up and restart it because I probably won't be done yet. I'm not glaring at you guys. I just can't see. Yeah, I'd rather be the smartest, absolutely. Would you rather, this is the last question, would you rather be rich and ugly or poor and good looking? Absolutely, without a doubt, rich and ugly, because with that money, I can go get some plastic surgery. I can tell them to give me a new nose, some new eyes, some new this, some new that. Give me the money. I'll be ugly. It's okay. Give it to me. I'll fix it. Ugly can be fixed. Unless you're ugly on the inside, and you broke forever. Okay? Ever, you broke. You broke in. If you're ugly on the inside, there ain't nothing nobody can do to fix that. No. No, you better be rich because you'll be paying for relationships if you're ugly on the inside. Eat some crayons, figure it out, eat some makeup, fix the ugliness on the inside. Corn is so messy, but it's so satisfying. Especially when it's just sitting in a bowl of butter. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at me. What a mess. I'm gonna eat a few more of these, you guys, and then we're gonna call it. Oh, wait a minute. Before I forget, and before time runs out, let me do my post shout out. What am I doing, Mookies? I'm so sorry. I'm usually I'm shrimp drunk. Let's see. Make sure I don't. Today's post shout out goes to, excuse me, Big Heck. Big Heck has a gaming channel. So if you guys are interested in gaming, go check him out. I'll leave his information here below. His channel name is Big Heck. So, again, this has been a collab with the great, the wonderful, the gorgeous CrystalMarieEats. I love this girl. She is such a cutie. I was like, okay, if I was going to have a daughter, it'd probably be her. She cracks me up. She reminds me a lot of me when I was younger, just some of the stuff she got herself into. You gotta listen to her story times. They tickle me. I think they're funny. Some of them are not exactly funny, but you know, she's lived a real life. You should definitely go check her out. And again, tell her, you know, you're Mookie. Tell her what the mukbang sent ya. And hang out with her for a while. She's a good kid. I really like her. She is what the mukbang approved. I really like this food too. So, instead of keeping you here to the crack butt of dawn, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I love you, Mookies, so very much. Again, if you're not a Mookie, please do so. Please become a Mookie by hitting that subscribe button below, that red button, that button down there. Hit the bell next to it. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and leave a comment below. I will shout out a random comment at the end of each one of my videos, so please consider leaving a comment. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I love you to the moon and back. You guys be good to one another, and I will see you on the next